Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate make.com scenarios for CRM updates, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate make.com scenarios for CRM updates, start by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are listed. Click on the scenario you want to authenticate. If you are setting up a new scenario, click on the plus Create a New Scenario button. Once your scenario is open, select the CRM application you plan to integrate. You will see a prompt asking for authentication details. Choose to connect a new account if this is your first time linking the CRM. A window will pop up, requiring you to enter your CRM credentials. Fill in the required fields with your CRM username and password. For some CRMs, you might also need to provide an API key or token. Look for this information in your CRM settings if required. After entering your credentials, click the Continue button. Make.com will attempt to connect to your CRM account. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. If you encounter an error, double-check your credentials for typos. Once authenticated, click Add to save the connection to your scenario. Now, proceed to configure the actions you want to automate within your CRM. Set your desired triggers, such as creating or updating records. Map the corresponding fields between make.com and your CRM. Test the scenario using sample data to ensure everything works correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the field mappings if issues arise. Once satisfied with the test results, save your scenario. Finally, activate the scenario so it can run automatically in the background. Your make.com scenario is now authenticated and ready for CRM updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.